Trace Hagen here for TweakTown. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Ironside desktop PC. Now what you can see in front of you is what you'll be presented with shortly after opening the outer box, which is padded by peanuts and also some bubble wrap. Inside, underneath the bubble wrap, you'll find the actual case box for the computer that you ordered. Since Ironside makes use of publicly available cases mass manufactured rather than a custom design, they ship the computer inside the case box, which really aids in shipping. You'll also be presented with an Ironside box, which inside features a certificate of ownership along with a CD booklet, the manual for your motherboard, various extra cables and wires that came with the different products installed in your computer, as well as just some general information about your computer. Moving along, you'll then need to remove the bubble wrap and remove the case box from the main box without getting peanuts everywhere, which is easier said than done, especially considering how heavy a computer is when it's fully built. Not just the case, but this has liquid cooling and everything included with it. So I'm making a little bit of a mess doing this. Once you get the computer box out of the main box, this inner box is also taped up, so you'll need to take out your knife or scissors or whatever your choice method of cutting through tape is to open the inner box. As you can see, the inner PC is shipped in its original foam packaging that was utilized by the case manufacturer to ship the original case, which is generally a good thing because the mass manufacturers know how to make a solid case to get where it's designed to go. This is always the fun part, is trying to figure out just how to get the system out without causing damage to it or yourself. Once you get the system out of the box, the bag that this was originally wrapped in notes that you should not power on the system quite yet because they make sure the internal components are secure by using some foam packaging inside of the system. So you need to remove the case panel and pull out this interior foam packaging. This helps support the graphics card and other various components from doing too much wiggling during shipment, because otherwise it'd be bad on both the motherboard and this cards itself if it was wiggling during shipment. So once you have that removed, you're basically all ready to go. As you can see, they've done a really neat job of cable management, as well as you've got your water cooling lines. You definitely are going to want to check for leaks because it was shipped. I'm not foreseeing any problems, but you definitely want to be careful that first time you power it on. So there you have it. That's the packaging of our Ironside PC that we'll be reviewing. Over the next few pages of the review, you'll be able to see just how well this performs and stacks up, what we think of the quality of the machine, and some of our final thoughts at the end of the review. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Trace Hagen for TweakTown.